Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted local roofing expert in Brighton, Colorado. Your home deserves the best protection, and that starts with a reliable roof. We understand the importance of keeping your family safe and secure. Our team is here to ensure that trouble with your roof is the least of your worries. When hail or windstorms strike, count on us for prompt roof repairs or replacements. Don't let storm damage compromise the integrity of your home. We've got you covered. Trust our experienced team to assess and address any roofing issues with precision. Raising the roof, raising the standard, our tagline reflects our commitment to excellence. Let our roofing experts take the stress out of your roofing concerns. We're dedicated to providing top-notch service and exceptional results. Join our satisfied customers who rely on us for professional and reliable roofing solutions. Your satisfaction is our priority. We'll go above and beyond to exceed your expectations. Call us today at 970-478-9607 for expert assistance and a free consultation. Visit dennysroofing.com/Brighton-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Rest assured, with Denny's Roofing, your roof is in capable hands. Contact us today and experience the difference.